if you're encountering an Orthomosaic error in Agisoft Metashape 2026, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Check input data. Ensure that all input images and data are correctly loaded into the project. Verify that there are no missing files or corrupted images that could be causing the error. Step 2. Rebuild the model. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Adjust projection settings. Review the projection settings in the Orthomosaic generation dialog. Make sure that the coordinate system and projection parameters are correctly set according to your project requirements. Step 4. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can resolve various issues. Navigate to the Preferences menu and clear the cache files to eliminate any temporary data that might be causing conflicts. Step 5. Update software. Ensure that you are using the latest version of Agisoft Metashape. Check for updates and install any available patches or updates, as these often include bug fixes that can resolve errors. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Orthomosaic error in Agisoft Metashape 2026. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Agisoft support for further assistance.